Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to start our first lesson of online Quran learning course. In this lesson, we will discuss basic letters of Arabic language. As we know that every language has some basic letters, we call them alphabet. In English, there are 26 basic letters from A to Z. Similarly, in Arabic, there are 29 alphabet from Alif to Ya. And according to pronunciation, there are three different types of these 29 letters. The first type is bold letters. Bold letters are those letters which are always bold. We have to pronounce them with heavy sound, with full mouth. And the number of bold letters is 7. There are 7 bold letters. Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ghain, and Qaf. These 7 letters are bold letters. Yes, these 7 letters are bold letters. And 3 letters are conditional letters. Alif, Ra, and third one is Lam. These 3 letters are conditional letters. Conditional letter means sometimes you have to pronounce them with heavy sound and sometimes you have to pronounce them with light sound. And all other letters except 7 bold letters and 3 conditional letters. Remaining 19 letters are light letters. You have to pronounce them with light sound. But wait. Yes, you are right. It is difficult to memorize all these things. That is why we use colored qaida, and after completion of qaida, we will use colored Quran Pak. The benefit of using this colored qaida is that you just need to keep in your mind that green color is for bold letters. Yes. This is very simple. Just keep in your mind that green color is for bold letters. Yes. So whenever a letter is in green color, you have to pronounce with heavy sound, with full mouth. Like in this page, there are 8 letters which are in green color. Kha, Ra, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ghain, Qaf. So in this page, 8 letters are bold. Out of these 8 letters, 1 letter is Ra, which is actually not a bold letter, but this is a conditional letter. As I said, green color is for bold letters, so this Ra is in green colors, which means in this page, Ra is in bold letters. Sometimes when we read in future, Ra will be in the different color, then we have to pronounce it with light sound. So that's very simple. We summarized that the green color is for bold letters. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video with our next lesson. Allah Hafiz.